Have you ever wondered how to add texture to your landscape? Let's dive into the captivating world of ornamental grasses. These versatile plants are not only a treat to the eyes with their vibrant colors and unique forms, but they also bring a distinct texture to your garden. From the tall and elegant maiden grass to the compact and colorful blue fescue, we'll be exploring a variety of these grasses throughout this video. We invite you to explore the world of ornamental grasses and discover how they can transform your landscape. Ornamental grasses come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. For example, the fountain grass is known for its arching stems and graceful, fountain-like form. It can be a beautiful accent in any landscape, adding movement and texture. Feather reed grass, on the other hand, stands tall and upright, with feathery plumes that catch the light. It can provide a striking vertical element in your garden. Switchgrass is another popular option, revered for its hardy nature and versatility. It boasts a range of colors from bright green to deep burgundy and can adapt to a wide variety of soil and light conditions. When choosing the right ornamental grass for your landscape, think about the size, color, and form that will best complement your existing plants and overall garden design. Consider the grass's preferred growing conditions as well to ensure it will thrive in your garden. With so many types of ornamental grasses to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect one to enhance your landscape. Adding ornamental grasses to your landscape can be a simple yet transformative process. These versatile plants can frame your garden with borders, act as lush ground cover, or even serve as striking focal points. Ornamental grasses offer endless possibilities for enhancing your landscape. Ornamental grasses truly are the unsung heroes of the landscape. Their versatility and aesthetic appeal can transform any garden. Why not consider them for your next landscaping project? Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more landscaping tips and tricks. Happy gardening!